Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about calculations of loan installments in MS Excel. But before that, subscribe to our channel if you haven't and press the bell icon and never miss an update from us. A loan is a financial agreement between two parties, a lender and a borrower. In our example today, Mr. XYZ is planning to purchase TATA Nexon top-end model which cost around 14 lakhs. Bank requested for minimum 4 lakhs as down payment, so now loan amount is 10 lakh. On this loan, bank want to charge 8% interest per annum. Mr. XYZ wants to have loan tenure of 4 years, which means 48 months installment needs to be paid back to bank. All the installments payment has to be made at the end of each month. Mr. XYZ want to calculate installment amount which bank is going to charge, that is EMI. With the help of MS Excel, we are going to calculate EMI. The MS Excel formula which help in calculating EMI is called PMT. But before discussing the formula, let's input the loan amount in Excel sheet. In cell C3, we will input purchase price of the car, which is 14 lakhs. In cell C4, we will input down payment, which is 4 lakhs. In cell C5, we will calculate loan amount by subtracting purchase price by down payment, which will come down at 10 lakhs. In cell C6, we will insert interest rate, which is 8%. In cell C7, we will input loan tenure in months, which is 48 months. In cell C8, you will see a drop down which has two options. First, one being at the beginning of the period and another at end of period, which is option for loan type installment, which will either be cut at beginning of the period or end of the period. In this example, we will set the same to at the end of period. Now, let's get into syntax of formula of PMT to get EMI. In cell C10, we will write equal to PMT bracket open. In the first syntax is rate. Rate is the periodic rate of interest. In example, interest rate is 8% per annum. We are going to convert into monthly interest rate by dividing 12, since year consists of 12 months. Then, number of periods. This is the number of months for completely paying back the loan. In our example, it is 48 months. Further, present value. This is the loan amount. In our example, this is 10 lakh, since Mr. XYZ already paid 4 lakhs as down payment. Next, future value. This is the future amount to accumulated. In our example, we are not going to use this since we are dealing here is a loan. Present value or future value must be 0, depending on whether one wishes to calculate the periodic amount for a specified present value or a specified amount to be accumulated in the future. And finally, type 0 if the periodic payment or receipt are at the end of each month, and 1 if the payment or receipt are at the beginning. In our example, Mr. XYZ opted to make the installment at the end of the month, hence we selected 0. After entering the formula, we will get value 24,412 rupees, which is the EMI value that Mr. XYZ is going to pay. Though it can be observed the value is a negative sign. The reason behind the negative number is because Mr. XYZ needs to make the payment, since in the PMT function present value is a positive number. Positive number means Mr. XYZ received a value, that is loan amount. Hence, PMT formula treats this transaction as loan transaction. To check whether the EMI value is correct or not, you can visit any online website which automatically calculate EMI calculations and reconciles, and let us know in comment section below. So that's it in today's video. If you find this tutorial interesting and knowledgeable, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.